Hey friends, this is Atif of Pure and welcome to the new update on Zilliqa coin. On the long-term time frame, on the weekly time frame chart, Zilliqa has broken out a very big falling wedge pattern. But on the daily time frame chart, Zilliqa is still not able to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. And in today's video, we will again take a look at this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal of Zilliqa that I shared in the month of January 2023 on 21st of January. And that was a harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup that Zilliqa formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price line rallied very well, and that was by the way more than 27% pump on this 4-hour time frame chart. And before that, I shared this harmonic bullish reverse regardless setup in the month of March 2022. That was also formed with Bitcoin pair on the 4-hour time frame chart. And after playing this chart, you can see that the price then started a very powerful reversal from this potential reversal zone of the Garland move. And that was, by the way, more than 400% very, very big pump within next few days. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can join me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you on the daily basis. Now, let me to take you to this weekly time frame chart, and here we can see that we have a very, very big development that we have broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. That was a not the rising, a falling wedge pattern. And this was a quite long-term falling wedge pattern. And you can see previously when we broke out this resistance, we had a nice pump up to 23 cents, but re-entered the same wedge again because we had a very, very strong resistance here. You can see previously in the month of April. From April to May 2021, it was breaking as a strong resistance. Therefore, once again, the price line rejected by this resistance of 23 cents. And now, after a quite long term, the price line has recently, almost 4 weeks ago, broken out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. And for 2 or 3 or 4 weeks, it was struggling to break out this key resistance of 2.9 cents, you can see. And after a lot of struggle, the price line has finally also broken out this 2.9 cents resistance. And you can see previously this resistance has been breaking as a support here, resistance, 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 resistance. And here in the month of December 2020, it was breaking as a resistance, support here, resistance, sorry, support here and support here as well. And now it was breaking as a resistance. And finally, we have broken out this resistance. That is a very, very big achievement. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that here Zilliqa has been stuck inside this up channel, not the up channel, a rising wedge pattern. And if we switch to the 4-hour time frame chart, then you can see that it is struggling to break out this resistance of the rising wedge pattern. There is a bit critical situation because if we take a look at the price line, it is forming higher high. But if we take a look at the RSI, then you can see it is forming lower high than previous high. However, it is possible that the price line may move here sideways and RSI will move more up and it may form another higher than previous high. And then this bearish divergence signal could be removed from the chart. However, so far we have this bearish divergence signal like previously we had the bullish divergence signal, like the price line was forming higher low than previous low, and here RSI was forming lower than previous low. So there was a hidden bullish divergence signal, and the price line followed that bullish divergence signal and rallied to the resistance of this rising wedge pattern. Now, for example, if the price line follows this bearish divergence signal and drops down to the support, then this time the support will be approximately at 2.948 cents. And for example, if the price line breaks out the resistance of this rising wedge pattern, then after the breakout, you can see the next target can be here. That will be approximately at 4.3 cents. Now, if we take a look at the final target for this big falling wedge pattern, that is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately from 23 cents to 25 cents. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, You can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because here I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.